Welcome to the 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is fickle. It is spelt F-I-C-K-L-E. Think pickle, but with an F. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources, from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Fickle means changeable or not being able to make up one's mind, often in a way that is not easily controlled. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something or someone that is not consistent, reliable, or dependable. For example, you could say, "The weather is fickle and can change quickly." Or, "He was fickle and could not make up his mind." The word fickle comes from the Old English word fickle, which means fickle, referring to something or someone that is not consistent or reliable. In My Little Pony, friendship is magic. Discord has a chaotic and unpredictable nature. As the spirit of chaos and disharmony, Discord delights in causing mischief and confusion among the inhabitants of Equestria. His whimsical behavior and tendency to change allegiances make him a fickle character throughout the series. Synonyms for fickle are changeable, unreliable, inconsistent, and indecisive. Antonyms for fickle include consistent, reliable, dependable, and steadfast. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, fickle. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time.